What makes dragon fruit so special? It's not just the taste. The vibrant colors on the fruit's skin are not random. Each shade on the skin seems to tell its own story. They reflect the richness and balance of nature. Under the brilliant Vietnamese sun, dragon fruit plantations stretch as far as the eye can see. The rows of straight stakes create a familiar rhythm of this agricultural land. The harvest here is not the work of one person alone. It is a collective effort where each member takes on a precise role. Each hand carefully and harmoniously coordinates to ensure that every dragon fruit achieves its characteristic refreshing flavor when it leaves the field. After the flowers wither, the dragon fruit plant enters its most crucial stage of development. From this point on, the fruit needs approximately 30 to 50 days to reach full maturity. That time frame is not fixed. It depends on the plant species, light intensity, water quantity, and regional climate conditions. Harvesting at the right time is a key factor in determining the final quality. If harvested too early, the fruit flesh will not have reached the desired sweetness and texture. If left too long, freshness decreases, the peel becomes easily damaged, and the shelf life is shortened. Therefore, each day in the growth cycle is crucial to the value of the dragon fruit. When harvest time arrives, the farmers enter the most crucial evaluation stage. Each dragon fruit is carefully observed and inspected. They use their hands to feel the firmness of the fruit to determine the degree of internal development. The color of the peel is carefully examined, combined with the overall size to assess uniform ripeness. Only fruits in optimal condition are selected for harvesting. Human precision at this stage plays a crucial role in ensuring the flavor, freshness, and commercial value of each dragon fruit when it leaves the orchard. After leaving the orchard, the dragon fruit is quickly transported to the central sorting area. Here, the conveyor belt system becomes the main operating axis of the entire process. The dragon fruit moves continuously through each processing stage, creating a stable and uninterrupted flow. The goal of this system is to maximize efficiency in large-scale and high-intensity production facilities. Machines handle speed and consistency, while humans monitor, adjust, and intervene as needed. This parallel coordination helps ensure productivity while maintaining the quality of each dragon fruit. Advanced sorting machines are equipped with high-precision scanning systems. They continuously assess the size, color, and surface quality of each fruit. Every piece of data collected is processed in real time. This information immediately controls the automatic sorting mechanism. As a result, dragon fruit is sorted quickly, uniformly, and accurately. This process not only improves productivity, but also ensures consistency and quality across large-scale production. Before proceeding to the next processing stages, dragon fruit undergoes a mandatory cleaning process. Here, high-pressure sprayers, water jets, and rotating brushes work in synchronously. The goal is to completely remove dirt, sand, and other impurities adhering to the fruit's surface. In some production lines, additional water treatment methods are applied. These steps help to enhance hygiene levels and minimize the risk of contamination during processing. This is a crucial intermediate stage, ensuring that dragon fruit meets safety standards before being incorporated into various product lines. For dragon fruit designated for export as whole fruit, the packaging process is carried out with a high degree of control. After packaging is complete, the dragon fruit is transported to distribution centers, each carton leaving the factory, marking a significant transition from a local farm to a global supply chain. Dragon fruits that are not exported whole are sent to the juice production line, where they are peeled by hand by skilled workers or by automated machinery systems, depending on the scale of production. The juicy fruit pulp is then precisely cut to optimize extraction, while the remaining pulp is pressed to recover the maximum amount of water. The extracted juice is then passed through filling machines equipped with precision nozzles before undergoing a fully automated capping and labeling process, ensuring consistency in quality and hygiene standards throughout the entire process. For dried dragon fruit products, the process begins with careful selection and washing of the fruit to remove impurities before processing. The dragon fruit is then fed into an automatic cutting machine, creating round slices of uniform thickness to ensure consistent drying. These slices are arranged and transferred to a large-scale drying system, where temperature and airflow are tightly controlled to ensure slow and steady dehydration, resulting in lightweight dried products that are easy to store at room temperature. From flowers that bloom at night to modern production lines, dragon fruit is the result of a combination of nature and technology. If you found this journey interesting, please share your thoughts in the comments. What kind of agricultural products would you like to explore in the following episodes?